Today we are going to conduct a formal English debate. The topic is, technology is making our lives better. Team A will argue for the topic, that means they believe technology is making life better. Team B will argue against the topic, they believe technology is causing more harm than good. Each student will speak in turn. I will guide you through each stage. Please speak clearly, use full sentences, and listen carefully to the other side. The first speaker from Team A, Amiru, will give the opening statement. Amiru will say, "Good morning, everyone. We, Team A, strongly believe that technology is making our lives better. From smartphones to online learning, technology helps us stay connected, learn faster, and live more comfortably. Without technology, we wouldn't even have this classroom set up. Let us explain why technology is a blessing, not a problem." Then, first speaker from Team B, Nilusha, will give the opening statement. Nilusha will say, "Thank you. While technology has benefits, we, Team B, believe it is doing more harm than good. It is making people lazy, destroying face-to-face relationships, and harming our environment. People spend more time on screens than with their own families. We must open our eyes to the damage it causes." Then we will move to the main arguments. Each team member will present one main point. Mohan from Team A will say, "Let's talk about education. Technology allows students to attend online classes, access videos, and learn at their own pace. Even during the pandemic, children could study thanks to technology. Without it, learning would stop during hard times." Then I will invite Sandhya from Team B to respond with the main argument. Sandhya will say, "But Mohan, many children now stare at screens all day. Their eyes get damaged, and their health becomes worse. Kids don't play outside anymore. They are becoming addicted to video games and losing real-life skills." Then the third speaker of Team A, Komaraka, will say, "Technology also helps doctors save lives. Machines can detect diseases early. Surgeries are safer now. Even a ship captain like ours uses advanced tools for navigation. Without technology, many industries would collapse." Then we'll hear from the third speaker of Team B, Danuvi. She will say, "That's true, Komaraka, but what about jobs lost due to machines? Robots are replacing humans in factories. People are losing work. And let's not forget, social media causes stress and depression, especially among young people." Then we will move to the rebuttal round. This is where one speaker from each team responds to what the other team has said. Let's hear the rebuttal from Team A, Amiru. He will say, "Yes, there are some problems, but it's how we use technology that matters. Technology itself is not bad. We just need to use it wisely, not all day long. It's our responsibility to control it, just like we control food or money." Then let's hear the rebuttal from Team B, Nilusha. Nilusha will say, "That sounds nice, Amiru, but most people don't control it. Even adults can't stop checking their phones. Teenagers scroll for hours. So in reality, technology is controlling us, not the other way around." Then we'll move to the final round, the closing statements. Each team will summarize their main points and give a strong final message. Let's begin with Team A. Mohan will give the closing statement in this way. "In conclusion, technology gives us amazing opportunities. It connects people, saves lives, and improves learning. Problems can be solved with balance and education. We believe technology is a powerful tool to make life better." We will get the final closing statement from Team B. Sandhya will say, "To end, we want to remind you that technology may look helpful, but it's slowly turning us into machines. It takes away peace, nature, and human connection. That's why we believe it's doing more harm than good. No,